Hello everyone! Today I'm in beautiful Cefalù, Sicily, and I would like to clarify why Cefalù is so beautiful and it's so important in a tour of Sicily. So, first of all, let me say Cefalù is a very strategic location. If you are touring Sicily, you must stay in Cefalù for several reasons. First of all, it's perfectly located in the northern coastline of Sicily in the province of Palermo. So if you move from the west to the east or from the west to the south of Sicily, you better stay in Cefalù to optimize your tour of Sicily, to reduce the driving time. Then, as you can see, it offers a great seascape, a great landscape, the beautiful rock behind me, La Rocca, the special mountain here in Cefalù. Then the heritage. Cefalù is about 3,000 years old. It was built by the ancient Greeks. One more key element. It's so enjoyable, night and day, not only because of the beautiful sandy beach, but of course because the historic center is so enjoyable. You can lose yourself strolling in the beautiful narrow streets. You can go shopping. You can enjoy the best Sicilian food at the several great restaurants. You can enjoy your drink, you can enjoy your leisure time, you can enjoy the nightlife. So, Cefalù is a massive location, and that's also a key element in all our tours of Sicily. That's why we include Cefalù in all our group tours, the Sicily Lovers Tours. For those who don't know yet, it's our group tour reserved for around 20 people. It takes place 3 times per year. Check in our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, for the available spots. And of course, we used to advise our clients who want us to put together a private tour of Sicily to stay here in Cefalù. So Cefalù can be your own base in your tour of Sicily, regardless if it's a group tour or a custom private tour that can be arranged all year round according to your needs and passions. Last but not least, Cefalù is also a very famous filming location. Maybe you have seen the White Lotus. They say they are in Taormina. Actually, that's not the beach in Taormina. It's the beach here in Cefalù. And I would like also to clarify a common question. Some people ask me, Gianca, is it possible to swim in Cefalù? In general, to swim in Sicily? And I say no. You are not required to swim in Sicily. You just have to stay and relax this beautiful Mediterranean Sea. We don't have the ocean, we have the sea. And the Sicilian style is this: stay still and relax. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com if you want us to put together your custom private tour of Sicily, or if you want to join one of our group tours named Sicily Lovers Tour. From Cefalù, Sicily, it's all. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Mwah!